Hi, baby. Is that light bright? Look at those chubby legs. Can you show me how you brush your teeth? Good job! Very good. You're a smarty pants, huh? Can you show me how you stand up? Can you show me how you stand up? Maybe not. Oh, you've been yelling at that brick a lot, huh? Yeah, you tell it. Jackie. Oh, it's too bright, sorry. Hi, baby. It's way past your bedtime. You need to go night-night. Should we go brush your teeth and go night-night? What do you think, Jack? Too bright. Okay, say bye-bye.